Hi, this is Kathy from the Art Process Studio. I'm an artist and a mindful creative coach, and I work with individuals, groups, organizations, anyone interested in exploring their personal and professional life through creativity. So I provide techniques, inspirations, design these amazing workshops. And so if you are going to find me on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel. And if not, go to my website, theart-process.com, and sign up for my really inspirational monthly newsletters that'll teach you about how art can be such a healing tool in all sorts of environments. So enjoy the video. Make that. I want to get it to a fluid state. Now, of course, you get fluid paints. You get high flow paints in the paint store that you can use right away. They are a little pricey, so I just wanted to try this technique out just with your regular paint. And if you have medium, you can add to it, or just a little bit of water.